Dental crowns are an everyday dental procedure to fix broken or decayed teeth. They're basically an artificial cap which is put over the tooth in order to offer durability and protect. Dental crowns are intended to be long-lasting and durable, but it's crucial to maintain them properly. Their maintenance to ensure that they will last for as long as is possible. In this short video, we'll go over the most effective ways to maintain your dental crowns in order to prolong their lifespan and to keep your smile looking good. 1. Make sure you maintain a clean mouth. The first thing you can do to maintain for your crowns to ensure you are maintaining a good oral health. That means brushing your teeth at least 2 times each day, flossing every day, and making use of an antiseptic mouthwash. When you maintain a clean mouth and free of plaque, you will be able to prevent buildup as well as avoid issues like gum disease or tooth decay. This may affect the lifespan of the dental crowns. 2. Do not eat foods with a lot of hardness. Dental crowns are intended to last for a long time, but they could be affected by food items such as nuts, ice, as well as hard candy. Avoid chewing on objects that are hard so that you don't cause damaging the crowns. Instead, choose soft food items that are less prone to damage your teeth. 3. Make sure you wear the mouthguard. If you are involved in sports that put the health of your teeth in risk for injury, for example, the contact sport as well as grinding the teeth in the evening, putting on the right mouthguard is a good way to keep your crown safe from damage. Mouthguards can withstand the impact of a hit to your face or keep your teeth from grinding each other, which reduces the possibility of injury to the crowns. 4. Schedule regular dental checkups. Even with the best care, dental crowns are still able to get damaged as time passes. To detect any issues early to avoid damage from occurring, it's essential to arrange regular dental appointments with your dentist. In these sessions, you will be able to have your dentist check your crowns for indications of wear and tear or damaged areas and provide any treatment needed to maintain your smile good. 5. Limit alcohol and avoid smoking. Consumption. Drinking alcohol and smoking cigarettes may have an adverse effect on the oral health and especially the condition of your crowns. Smoking may stain your crowns and raise the likelihood of suffering from gum disease. In addition, drinking alcohol may cause dry mouth and dehydration, raising the chance that tooth decay will occur. When you stop smoking and restricting your drinking alcohol, it will improve the overall health of your crowns on the teeth and general oral health. The bottom line is that taking good treatment of your crowns is vital to make sure they last as long as they can and ensure your smile looks great. If you practice regular oral hygiene, abstaining from the use of hard food, putting on the mouthguard, scheduling frequent dental appointments, and not the use of tobacco and alcohol, as well as limiting your consumption, will help ensure the lifespan of your dental crowns. If you're concerned concerning the health of your dental crowns, ensure that you speak with your dentist to get further advice.